everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Diane Deziel and today I propose you the part 2 of the comfort bag. I did the one that looked like a Peter Pan collar last time. At the end of the document, I propose you another shape for the comfort bag. It was a heart, and today I'm showing you the easy assemble for this one. If you're looking for the pattern, I'll put the link right in the description of this video. There's the little work that I present you today. It's a comfort bag. What is special about it is that the barley is divided or separate into 4 sections. And for this one, I did an upcycle project. I used recycling fabric or leftover from other project that I had. But if you wanted to do it just one color, it could also be just one piece, and you separate the barley with top stitch. To do that little comfort bag, we need 2 pieces for the inside so it won't show at all. I always suggest that you use natural fiber fabric. So I have 2 pieces face to face for the inside. I have the backing, and for the top part I have my 4 pieces that I cut separately for the upcycle. There's notches for the assembling, and of course there's seam allowance also. And this is going to be my first step. I will put it back into one piece. The first thing I'll do is assemble the piece. So I have 2 instead of 4. So I'm going to take the top part and sew it together with the bottom parts. I will sew with my usual seam allowance, 1 centimeter or 3/8 of an inch. Assemble both sides. Now we're going to put the 2 sides together, so face to face. And what I suggest is that when you get to the intersection, you should send the seam allowance one time in one direction and the other time in the other direction. This way you eliminate the thickness. Now we're going to put the 4 art one over the other. First you have the middle 2 pieces. I put them back to back or wrong sides together, but doesn't matter, it's inside, we're not going to see it. Now in the back you're going to place the self or the solid all one piece heart. That's the back. Place it all well aligned. This should be the right side of the fabric, and then over you're going to place the one that is in 4 pieces. And we're going to start by placing one side of the heart, 1/2, well placed. We're going to lift the other side, and I'm going to redo the seam, the last seam we did, across all the layers. Now we separate the heart in 2 with the seams. It's also going to separate into the barley. Now to separate in 4, we're going to place both sides flat, and we're going to do 1 seam from one side to the other. You could do it right on the seam or just a little bit on one side or the other. It doesn't matter. We just need to make it in one continuous seam. Now we have the 4th section. Because I did my 2 seam, I'm going to turn it so you could see better with the white top stitch on the black fabric. Here you could see that I did place notches on both sides of the horizontal line, and this is to indicate the part that you have to sew before to put the barley inside. You're going to sew a first seam from the notch to the notch with your normal seam allowance or 1 centimeter, 3/8 of an inch, and you're going to sew from the 2nd notch to the 2nd notch. Don't forget to do your back tack on both sides. Now it's time to put the barley inside. So I'm using this. And today I have the pot barley. I could give you an approximative quantity. What I use to do the previous one, it's about 240 grams total. And of course you try to distribute as even as you can in the 4 sections. So it's pretty much even when you look at it. you're going to see you have 4 openings, 2 on each side where you stop and start the seam, 2 layers on each side, and just put it inside like that, and you could put your barley in. When one of the section is done, at least the first time, you could put a pin to hold it and do the other section. This way you'll be able to check to see if they're even, and you could even weight it to see if it's pretty much the right amount you have put in. Here I could see that one side here is missing a little, so I'm just going to add a little bit here. Now we're going to go close the opening. Make sure you close both opening on both sides. So I'm starting a little bit before the end, and I'm going to go until the other side. I'm going to do the same thing on the right side, so from a little above to a little below. When it's done, I'm going to make a second seam all around, a few millimeter, like 2-3 millimeter further than the first one. If you prefer 1/8 of an inch, not more than that, all around. Maybe you noticed that when I did my seam, both of them, the closure one and the all around seam, I did push the barley inside towards the center to make sure that I don't sew over a barley, because it could break your needle, of course. But secondly, you have to make sure that you have enough room for your foot, because you don't want the seam to be crooked. Just take the time to push the barley towards the center for all those seams. Now the last thing before offering your heart is to go around with your pinking scissors. It's going to make a nicer finishing, all even, and it's going to avoid having too much fringe. There you go, my art is finished. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy, and I see you soon.